Hi, welcome to our IDQ Pro tutorial series. My name is Helena, and today I'll be talking about how to use anomalous pixels in IDQ Pro. This feature identifies anomalous pixels in the 3D datasets using the RX detection algorithm. To start, you'll want to go to Image Statistics and select Anomalous Pixels. You'll then enter the confidence coefficient to set a threshold at which any pixels with higher confidence coefficients will be considered anomalous. The default is 0.99. This threshold represents the RX score above which a pixel is an anomaly with a 99% confidence. We suggest that you first use the default value and press Apply. You can identify a more suitable confidence coefficient value by analyzing the plot of the cumulative probability distribution of RX score values. IDQ Pro will compute the plot of the cumulative probability distribution of RX score values scaling from 0 to 1. Pixels with a high RX score are likely anomalous. IDQ Pro also displays the RX score map, where each pixel in the dataset is assigned the raw RX score. IDQ Pro automatically applies a threshold criterion to detect anomalous pixels with RX scores greater than the computed threshold. The result is a binary image in which the anomalous pixels are assigned the intensity value of 1 and other pixels are assigned an intensity value of 0. This binary image is generated in this second pop-up window named Detected Anomalous Pixels. The detected anomalous pixels are overlaid with the automatically generated pseudo-RGB image shown in the overlaid image panel here. Notice that many of the anomalous pixels are found in the coin at the bottom. These anomalous pixels correspond to the highly reflective areas of the coin surface. For more information or references, please visit idcubes.com/documentation.